Welcome to English Grammar Quiz.
A dime a dozen means something is very common or of no particular value. Beat a dead horse means to waste effort on something when there is no chance of succeeding. Between the devil and the deep blue sea means to choose between two equally bad alternatives. Close but no cigar means to fall just short of a successful outcome and receive nothing for your efforts. Flog a dead horse means to continue to make an issue of something that is over or resolved. Get your ducks in a row means to organize your affairs or gather all your resources and facts together before embarking on a new venture. Go against the tide means to oppose or resist the prevailing opinion or trend. Have your cake and eat it too means to want more than one can handle or deserve, or to try to have two incompatible things. In the blink of an eye means very quickly or in a short amount of time. It's not rocket science means something is not very complicated or difficult to understand. Let bygones be bygones means to forget about past conflicts or problems and move on. Make hay while the sun shines means to take advantage of favorable conditions, to make the most of an opportunity while it lasts. Not all that glitters is gold means not everything that looks precious or true turns out to be so. Once in a blue moon means very rarely. Paint the town red means to go out and enjoy oneself flamboyantly, to engage in a wild spree. Put the cart before the horse means to do things in the wrong order. Read between the lines means to understand the hidden or underlying meaning of something. Spill the beans means to divulge a secret or to reveal something prematurely. Take the bull by the horns means to confront a problem head-on and deal with it directly. The elephant in the room means an obvious problem or difficult situation that people do not want to talk about. Throw caution to the wind means to do something without worrying about the risks or negative outcomes. You can't teach an old dog new tricks means it is very hard to change someone's habits, especially if they have been doing something a certain way for a long time.
Thanks for watching.